learners! Welcome to Empowerment Technologies class. I am Teacher Juan and you are watching DepEd Mountain Province TV. In the previous lesson, you were able to create your own website and most of you created their website using Wix as their platform. Only 2 of you use WordPress and 1 also use Blogspot. Nevertheless, whatever platform you use, either Wix, WordPress, Drupal, Joomla, Blogspot, or any what you see is what you get platform, I congratulate you all for successfully creating your own website. In today's topic, we will be discussing the basic information about the connection of multimedia and ICT. Topics here are the types of multimedia content and the use of multimedia in the different fields. And at the end of the lesson, you should be able to define multimedia, integrate the connection of multimedia to your developed website, and explore the principles of interactivity and rich content in the context of Web 2.0 and the participation of the users in the online experience. Remember, as we discussed from our previous lesson, when we say Web 2.0, the website should be dynamic, where users can interact with the page, like creating a user account, posting comments, uploading files and images, and others. The best example of this is Facebook. Now, what is the importance of multimedia? Why do we need to learn it? We have to understand that multimedia is the heart of every presentation, website, and online interface in the context of the 21st century. If there is an integration of multimedia, it triggers the different senses to function well and catches the attention of the user, which aims to satisfy the audience through the use of different multimedia contexts like text, music, photos or images, animation, and videos. For that reason, you are encouraged to know and understand the connection of multimedia and ICT. By knowing their connection, you can easily understand, assess, and determine the content of each online application. And as a future developer of multimedia applications, this will give you the right insights on how to create meaningful content.
The word multimedia came from 2 words, multi, which means multiple or many, and media, which is defined as tools or means of communication. The term multimedia was coined by Bob Goldstein in 1966. He came up with this term to describe the technical nature of his entertainment. However, there is no coherent meaning of it during those times, until came 1933, where Ty Vaughan declared the definition in his book entitled Multimedia: Making It Work. Multimedia is a combination of multiple forms of media useful to communicate, like text, audio, animation, video, and graphics. Ty Vaughan also added that multimedia can be called interactive when it allows people to generate computer commands like video games. Now let's learn the different types of multimedia content. Number 1 is videos. Videos can really bring a presentation to life. It presents moving pictures and typically combines images and sound for a compelling multimedia experience, which is generated through web hosting sites like YouTube. Number 2 type of multimedia content are music, sound, or audio. Your website or presentation can add sound from a musical background to a spoken explanation. Even digital cameras or your cell phone have been engineered these days to record sound as well. Music can play many roles in presentation, which includes eliciting emotions, releasing tension, helping viewers to relax, making viewers more alert and engaged, energizing the prospect, and jogging the memory. Adding some music to a presentation can dramatically change the way that it impacts the viewers. Next, another type of multimedia content is we have here the online games. I know that you are familiar already with this because most online games can be downloaded in the Play Store, either online or offline. Some also are web-based, which can be played online via browser. Number 4 type of multimedia content is we have here text materials. Text takes us back to how the internet started as a means of sending written messages back and forth between one person to another. Text remains as one of the most powerful ways to share information, even if it is somewhat slower to process than infographics, videos, and images. But a few bullet points can help the prospect understand what the core message of the presentation is. It is still a primary way to transmit information, although nowadays it is also used to augment other forms of communication such as a text description of a photograph or images, and it can also be used as a caption of video clips and others. Another type of multimedia content is we have here also photographs, which are captured by our cameras, and other still images, which includes illustrations, infographics, and arts. 360-degree photographs is relatively new form of technology that can work well in certain types of presentation, like those focused on architecture, technology, product design, and automobiles. Users can click on photographs and move images around so they can enjoy a complete 360-degree view of a certain image or a photograph. Other still images also, we have here also the illustration. Most prospects will find it much easier to find an illustration instead of reading text or listening to a complicated description. Illustrations are perhaps the oldest form of media, heading back at least as far as the prehistoric paintings on cave walls found in various locations around the world. Next is we have here infographics, which is most effective when using visuals that communicate information quickly, like charts and graphs, because it creates a very easy to understand overview of a topic. Another is an art, which can be a very powerful means to include in a multimedia presentation because it can elicit powerful emotion in the viewers. Images of various art forms can be used, including paintings, drawings, sculptures, and cartoons. The last type of multimedia content are GIFs and other animation. GIF is an abbreviation of graphic image files, which are very short video clips that can be looped. These clips can feature everything from videos and drawings to cartoon animations. When we say animation, it is a method of photographing successive drawings, models, or even puppets to create an illusion of movement in a sequence. Yeah, there are a lot of anime movies which you have watched already. Those are examples of animation. So those are the different types of multimedia content. Again, those are videos, sound, music, or audio, online games, text, photographs and other still images, GIFs, and animations. There are also uses of multimedia to the different fields. Multimedia plays a vital role on the learning process of the learners, especially in this time of pandemic. There are a number of fields where multimedia could be used. For education, it improves the learning process and motivates the students to interact well in the class. Some examples of the use of multimedia in the field of education are coursewares or simulations, e-learning or distance learning, and we have here also the information searching, and so on and so forth. Another is in the field of entertainment. The special effects and animation that are being applied in all modern movies are the products of multimedia content. Examples of this are games, which can either be for entertainment or for educational purposes, movies, video clips, television shows, and others. For that reason, there had been a drastic evolution on the world of online games, because majority of the online games today are highly interactive. Number 3 is on the field of business. Many businesses integrate media content on their advertisement as their marketing strategy to attract prospect clients or consumers. Some examples of this are sales or marketing presentation, trade show production, point of sale system, banking system, instant photo booth, smart cards or for security purposes, ATM, and so on and so forth. Next is in the field of medicine. The field of medicine integrates multimedia content to analyze further their fields of study and to train future doctors and practitioners easily through visual presentations. And we have here also mathematics and scientific research. When we heard mathematics and scientific research, we imagine that all the problems and issues related to them are very difficult to analyze, understand, and solve. However, with the help of the videos, models, and courseware, we can easily understand the methods used to solve complex problems. And another is in the field of government, multimedia is very useful in all government agencies around the world. They use multimedia to deliver information, procedures, and regulations from one place to another.
Now that you have learned the contents of multimedia and its importance to the different fields, please edit the website you created last time, then insert a YouTube videos about any current environmental issues.
To do this, go to youtube.com and search any environmental issue just like illegal logging, deforestation, waste management, industrialization, or any issue related to environment. From the results that appeared, choose one video which you want to upload in your website. Then, go to the bottom of the video, then click Share button. Click on Embed for you to copy the code. When the code will appear, click Copy. And then on your Wix website, click Add Video, then choose YouTube. Then paste the copied code on the space provided, then press Enter. You will find that the video is already inserted. Below the inserted video, please write a brief explanation about this and why you choose it to upload on your blog. After that, review and publish the content of your website. Then submit the URL of your blog to your teacher for evaluation purposes.
To sum it up, please complete the paragraph by filling in the blanks.
Most of the websites nowadays integrate multimedia content to make their website more appealing to the audience. It is one of the strategies of every developer to catch the attention of the users and let the site visitors interact with each other on the website by posting comments or uploading files or images. Multimedia content comprises of blank. What is your answer? Time's up. The answers are videos, audios, online games, graphics, animation, and text materials. The users may also use video hosting sites like Blank to upload videos on their blog posts by simply copying the blank or the embedded code from the Embed tab and the Share menu. What is your answer? The answers are YouTube and URL.
For your performance task, it is time to level up your skills in website designing by applying what you have learned from this module. Make your website interactive by simply adding media content like stylish text, photos, audio, and videos from different media applications. Choose your preferred topic based on the following: environmental advocacy, promotion of tourist spot of your own locality, religion, health issues, or child labor. You may add other topics based on your interest.
Create a homepage indicating a brief explanation about the content of your website. Then, record a video based on your chosen topic. Upload your video on YouTube, then share it on your website.
That's all, learners, and I hope you learned a lot from our lesson today. Let's utilize multimedia and ICT to voice out our advocacy. Thank you very much and have a blessed day ahead.